Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Company Swisshalley is glad to host you for at least half an hour as our probable partners. We are sure that's not a waste of time, since any information is useful, especially that which beneficially influences your life. At least that is our expectation. They say it is crucial to appear in the right place and at right time, so here we are. Our presentation is divided into two parts. First, we will tell you who and what we are, and what kind of expertise we are offering in the market. Secondly, the accent will be made on financial instruments you get when joining us as a partner. We are the Swiss company Swisshalley. Back in March 2011, we launched a global online tourist project. Today, company has become the biggest player of traveling business for nearly 200 countries thanks to our expanding field of service, with continuously growing number of clients, hotels, resorts, recreations in our network. Swisshalley has signed contracts with 5 world biggest hotelier discounters, which granted us possibility to provide consumers with best wholesale prices accompanied by ample menu of rebates and amenities. Swisshalley Company has been for 2 years in the market now. Our partners are represented in more than 36 countries of the world. Today we have 50 partner countries and the number is on the rise. If your country is not on the list yet, you have great chance to become the very first representative of Swisshalley Company on your terrain, which will bring you closer to ultimate success. What is the project about, you may ask? Travel business today is the most stable and continuously growing market, where online sales make 40% and this share is mounting up. The number of tourists which book their travel through internet is growing 2-3% annually. What makes this economic sector even more perspective for us and for you, our future partners? Now we have the most peaceful time in whole history of the planet. Almost all borders are open. It is a question of couple of days to get a visa. So, tell us what makes it difficult to travel and why do we travel at all? Why are we here today? Swisshalley's mission, as it has been basically figured out, is formation of a smart traveler. Now what is implied? What sort of a voyager is that? A target holiday maker will never waste time and effort visiting travel agencies in search for best prices, proper departure dates, and so on. Rather, he would fix everything in practically no time via internet anytime, anywhere, and at best prices Swisshalley can offer. A smart tourist would necessarily want to save his money avoiding crowds of go-betweens. Swisshalley will take you door to door with the right travel agency, and it is just you and the operator who make the best deal. Certainly, such a world walker would also wish to curtail the risk and get guarantees. Swisshalley again is here with its celebrated Swiss assurance, so if you book a room with a maritime view for $100 per night, you are sure to get exactly the same. Our company shall be guaranteed to that. Of course, our prior advantage is that you can travel when you want and as much as you want because we don't impose any restrictions regards timing and pricing. Swisshalley Company has been established with the idea to improve the quality and level of your life, to open new horizons for yourselves, to reveal huge potential of your thirst for discovery. To be our partner means to disseminate your name all over the world, to get the very best Swiss level of service in breathtaking adventure of discovery of a new world. So what exactly we offer to you as a smart traveler? an ever-expanding system of online global hotel booking. Standing discounts and significant price benefits. You will always have the best price because 90% of our competitors lag behind. No limitations for usage of your personal discount card so that you can travel all year round. And even more, you may invite up to 10 friends to join you in trip. Your membership discount card will buy best prices for all of them too. Swisshalley Company is very customer-oriented, since it is the client who is in focus of our endeavors for perfection. Swisshalley Company's scope of service extends over the whole of the world, and particularly over 200,000 hotels in 14,000 cities of nearly 200 countries of the world, 2,000 resorts in more than 80 countries of the world, ski tourists in world-famous skiing centers and in over 3,000 hotels at ski resorts in Alps. Airline tickets booking with more than 500 operators in 160 countries. And of course, proactive discounts and fresh price advantages for all of this. Now, let's tell more about Swiss guarantees and Swiss quality. First of all, this is the guaranteed price. You will never be asked for additional commission payment, no hidden expenses, just the price you were offered when booking for even 6 months before. That is our solid undertaking. There is 24-hour hotline for our clients and partners. Any problem you may face during hotel booking will be solved in shortest time by our personnel. We will always find common ground with you. Our service assistants speak more than 30 languages, so you will always be heard and you always be assisted at any time and in any place. Another important option is flexible terms of booking cancellation. You can always cancel the tour or booking 5 days prior deadline and without any penalties. And of course, Swisshalley Company guarantees that at time of your arrival, the hotel will meet you with open arms and you will get exactly that room and those conditions which you have booked. We will give you just one example of prices offered by Swisshalley Company for your discount card. That example stands good for over 90% of countries of presence where we are leading the sector. And of course, our voucher offers will be highlighted in the second part of our presentation. In the first part of our presentation, we try to explain who we are, what services and guarantees we offer. In the second part, we shall guide you through the procedure of becoming our partner. We shall point out to milestones of cooperation and sharing knowledge. It is of more practical interest for you because you will give some tips of what it means to be Swisshalley's partner. It's not to be just an independent economical traveler, but this is also an amazing financial opportunity for ambitious people who do not want to throw money down the drain. It's easy to become a partner of Swisshalley Company. Just purchase a tour or a voucher. Imagine the situation when you join some big discount club to enjoy wholesale prices for retail shopping. You necessarily will be asked to make entry contribution, which will pay off in a very vague perspective. With this Swisshalley Company, you will make this donation by way of purchasing a tour or a voucher. Therefore, you do not just disburse your money, but you are going to consume the service or present the book tour for someone else. Alternatively, you can sell it off to someone and get back your money, remaining at the same time a member of our travel club, Swisshalley. This being encouraged to promote with us. Swisshalley Company suggests 4 voucher packages. The first voucher package is a basic package, which costs $482. You get your voucher and you can set off to travel immediately. You get 1 year membership in Swisshalley Club. After registration, you will get 2 cards mailed. One of them is your personal ID travel card, and the second card is a Visa card issued by Swiss Bank for accruing your commission fees. The validity term of basic package is 1 year. In the end of the first term, you purchase another voucher for the next annual membership. However, the first year is enough to feel all advantages, so people tend to buy a life package. Life package entitles you for obtaining the so-called business place, which is important for your further promotion with us. But first, some more facts about Swisshalley packages. Smart package is the second on the list. Its validity term is 4 years. You get 3 vouchers for traveling, you get 3 business places, and all this at the price of $1,466. The third package is a business package. The validity term is 5 years. By purchasing this one, you get 5 vouchers for traveling and 5 business positions. The price of the package is $2,625. While the most ample in opportunities is a life package. You get Golden Travel Card with unlimited validity term. You get lifelong membership in Swisshalley Club. You get 7 vouchers and 7 business places. Be sure that with this package, your financial career with Swisshalley goes upwards. Take a look at travel example depending on different voucher packages. But mind that the quoted prices were valid at the time this presentation had been made. Today, if you visit our website, you will see that the same offers are priced much lower. Your choosing of place of recreation with our voucher will be much simplified, since you get access to a continuously developing online booking system with hotel offers in 196 countries of the world. And of course, there is business class recreation, where you get excellent quality and service for appropriate price. You can always use vouchers sequentially, one by one, or split it to form ideal chain of tours for yourself. The world statistics show that the number of travelers increased by 40 million annually, and in 2012 this number exceeded 1 billion for the first time ever. What does it mean? It shows that tourist market is stable and continuously developing, and that the quantity of our and your potential clients is enormous. Practically anyone you know is your would-be client. Why tourism is so attractive and promising as your side financial activity? For 80% of holiday makers, Internet is #1 informational resource, and our online travel agency offers such exclusive prices that even biggest tour operators with years of activity in the field cannot compete. But we give it to you immediately, even from the first day of membership. In developed countries, 61% of booked places in hotels are sold through Internet. So you have a chance to occupy your own place in this growing number. Some more statistics. In 2012, the turnover in travel industry increased by 12%. Similar increase is expected for the year 2013. This means that people are traveling as they did before, notwithstanding any economic recession. The only thing they started to do is to look more eagerly for cheaper prices, and it's here where Swisshalley is a champion. So, whether you want to secure your family from financial uncertainty, or to improve your life, or to make a lot of new friends, or to get an unexpected recognition of your efforts and persistency in turning into a master of your own life, then partnership program Swisshalley is created exactly for you. What is the system of earnings in Swisshalley company? The main task of the company was to stimulate our clients not just to recreate and travel with us, but to give you a possibility to earn cash by recommending us to your friends or someone you know. For this purpose, there was a payable system developed where you receive 5% from the net price of each voucher sold by you personally and 3% for each voucher sold afterwards by other people who already joined Swisshalley Club following your recommendation. Thus, once you Involve the person, you will always get minimum 5% of his tour cost, either by voucher or by his travel card, as well as minimum 3% from travelers he would bring in. You will not even know their names or ever meet them, but you will always have interest from their travels wherever they go. On the slide you can perfectly see your immediate bonus from selling one of the 3 packages bought after your recommendation. It can be basic package, smart package or life package. All money comes to you on your bonus card and you can cash it out anytime and with any bank. For its most active members, Swisshalley Company offers the so-called matrix bonuses. Being a small matrix member, you will get $450 when stepping up to a big matrix, where you get $6,000 promotion fee, and so on progressively, with no chance to fall back into the small matrix. We will provide information on how to move through the matrix in our next presentation. The most important is that you should not worry about it. The system moves you up automatically. To leave the first matrix, you only need to invite 2 people and get your $450 when shifting up. Thus, you promptly compensate your expenses having obtained a voucher and $450 reimbursement. Another good opportunity is so-called auto bonus. When you achieve golden level of career, you can get a down payment for a car. Once this lump sum is paid, you will have just to disburse small installments. The down payment can be as much as 1.8% of your team's turnover, which at that stage is quite a pretty penny. The travel bonus consists of 2 components. The first is plus 10% from your personal income, which is credited to your travel card, and plus 1% from amounts spent for traveling by members of your team. When you achieve certain level in Swisshalley Company, you will start to note that you are no more spending money while traveling. You always have enough bonuses on your travel card, and once upon a time there will be accumulated so many of them that you will be forced to travel. That's how activist career in Swisshalley looks like. It should be noted that the elevator is 2/3 empty. It means that the company is young and just developing, and that every one of you has a chance to occupy your deserved place in that lift. All you have to do at the beginning is just to exert some effort, and then the system will work for you. So once again, you get minimum 3 to 5% due to people you bring. But if you want to get 7, 9, and up to 17%, you will have to be really active. Here is a spreadsheet of minimal monthly incomes after certain career level in the system. Well, and one final surprise from Swisshalley Company. 30 persons who will first achieve the level brilliant will get 1% of Swisshalley Company stock, with significant dividends paid apart from standard income. We will be glad to welcome you as partners of Swisshalley Company. Build your career together with us. Get your deserved financial independence and time for good, active, and peaceful life. Below, you can find the link which leads to their website where you can register for free. In case you have any questions, send them to contacts below. Thank you for attention. See you at our further presentations, where we will discuss financial strategies of Swisshalley Company in more detail.